Good morning, doctor. My name is Yu Jia. My teammate is Tang Singzhe, Ahmad Nakib, Muhammad Hakimi, and Rashika. Today, 5 of us will going to present our mini project. Our case study is DeliverEat.
Search function, which will help the users to find the restaurant that the users want. The system will ask for the user's current address, and the system will provide the restaurants that are available. If they are not available, it will display, sorry, the address is not under our coverage. Based on the user interface, on the left is the user will input their current address, which as shown is Shah Alam Selangor. And the right one, the system will display all the search result from the customer input. For the next part is filter result. The system will filter the search result based on two main categories, which are restaurant types and cuisine. And if the user want to be more specific, it will break down into a few more categories based on what they have on the menu, such as noodles, fried rice, and the salad. Then it will display the menu for that request based on the restaurant that they are looking for. On the left side, the filter function will filter into two main types, restaurant types and cuisines. And for the right side, it will categorize into more detail, which is as shown is side dish or drinks, set as amadas.
The functional requirement I choose is office delivery. Users who orders from their office can have their food sent directly to them with office delivery. User only needs to key in information such as name, email, contact number, restaurant order, and they can place a message as well. Next is newsletter. For those who want updates on the offer and news regarding DeliverEat website, all they have to do is key in their email address.
Next, auto tracking. Auto tracking is also quite important because it allows clients to better serve their online customers with accurate shipping details, information, and status. Customer can easily track his or her order by clicking Track Your Order button and key in the order ID. And it will minimize customers' anxiety by remorses and let customers know our business is both dependable and trustworthy. Next is data management. It's a convenient way for a buyer to keep track of past order. And the customer will understand the past, like what kind of food they ordered last month by clicking the order history page. And it serves as a net method for unavailable customers to easily reorder the same food again.
Moving on to rider registration. DeliverEat targets the unemployed to provide jobs to those in need. Potential riders are able to choose their location of employment between Kuala Lumpur and Penang. They will then be redirected to a Google document requiring their personal information for their company.
Membership benefit is also one type of functional requirement. This function allows customers to redeem e-voucher when they accumulate certain amount of points. For example, if he already accumulate 5,000 points, then he can redeem a 5 ringgit e-voucher. Besides that, the user can also update their profile by keying their first name, last name, email, birthday, contact number, and alternative contact number. Once filled in, they just click the Save button and the information will automatically update to the database.
Usability or ease of use are used in DeliverEat. They use all familiar icons that user can recognize. Icons like card is adding menu to their wanted to buy list, or a person icon is for login function, and this will ease the user to do their tasks.
Performance. The DeliverEat system provides their information in a section of the website which includes their contact number, email address, office outlet address, and social media information. They also provide a form to be filled if user needs any kind of assistance which requires details such as name, contact number, email, and message which is to be conveyed by the user.
Moving on to regulatory. DeliverEat's website displays the applicable laws, rules, regulations, and guidelines. This allows users to be aware of DeliverEat's terms and conditions before using the provided services.
Next, user-friendly. DeliverEat website is actually easily understandable and quick to operate website. Because it has a clear and easy to follow structure and have a certain important page for customer to go through. For example, it have a easily readable text of appropriate length and have a common red theme through all page, and also have a pop-up customer service on the right corner.
Security is also one type of non-functional requirement that play an important role. This is because it prevents hacker and cyber thieves that may cause loss of business reputation and customer credit. In DeliverEat, all users must log in before using any service, follow with strong verified password. If the user forget their password, they have to reset the password through email.
User guidance. Now, the problem is not all users know the exact name for the location that they want to go. The system suggests for places based on what the user type in. As you can see from the interface,
User familiarity. The food runner system, which is the DeliverEat website, has a decent level of user familiarity. User familiarity means the interface should use terms and concepts which are drawn from the experience of the people who will make most of the system.
Recoverability. In DeliverEat, they got two options, which is back option and cancel option. This option allows user to recover from error because it acts as a emergency exit that allows user to leave the unwanted page and go back to the main page. By having this, the user can explore the product without the constant fear of failure.
Instagram API. For the API, it will provide a direct link to the DeliverEat Instagram page. And this will ease the user without the need to go outside of the DeliverEat main page. And these are the example of the interface for the Instagram API in the DeliverEat page and direct link for the Instagram DeliverEat page.
The Facebook API is what I'm going to talk about, which is the Facebook API is a platform for building applications that are available to the members of the social network of Facebook. The API allows the DeliverEat app website to use the social connections and profile information to make applications more involving and to publish activities to the newsfeed and profile pages of Facebook, subject to individual users' privacy settings.
Next, Payment API. Payment API is designed for managing payment of developers and business. We use payment APIs and it will make users a lot easier to manage credit card payment and provide a simplified interface to present card details throughout the payment process. For example, we use iPay API and Touch and Go API. And two of these API will advise the microservice that require user to input too many form fields.
Moving on to the email API. The newsletter is a way to keep users up to date with the latest news and offers from DeliverEat. It involves multiple email APIs such as Gmail and Yahoo. Users can sign up for the newsletter by entering their email address.
How-to API is also one type of live chat API that has integrated in DeliverEat. On the right side of the DeliverEat web page, we can notice a green icon like this. After we click it, then it will pop up a widget like this, and we need to fill in the name, email, and order ID. Once we fill in, then we can straight away chat with the agent. Now, we will discuss about the suggested API that might improve the performance of DeliverEat. First, price comparison API like Price Tree API. This type of API allows users to compare the price offered by different restaurants. By having this, they can do their best choice and buy the cheapest food. Second, video API like Vimeo API. For current status, the owner of the restaurant can only display their menu on picture mode. Actually, this is not enough. To attract more customer, a video function must exist. Next, DeliverEat can only show the status of the food, whether it is just take out from restaurant or on eBay. Actually, this information is very blurred and not details. But with the help of geolocation API like Google Map API, we can clearly show the actual location of food and calculate the time needed to arrive.
For the comments of DeliverEat website in terms of UI design principles, DeliverEat successfully fulfills the criteria based on the previous project part, such as consistency and user guidance. DeliverEat managed to deliver all the places data to the user, such as price and location, with a decent user interface. And based on the functional requirement, in my opinion, is to provide information needed for users to help with their purchases. It is safe to say DeliverEat managed to complete the functional requirement as well as non-functional requirement, such as low response time and reliable website. That is all for me. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.
Next, enhance the raw motion UI from time to time based on the demand changing. It will help us to keep the focus of the user on the most important page. For example, animation can be used in websites to guide users where to focus and what to do next. Then, it will also help us to make navigation in DeliverEat websites more user-friendly. For example, animations can be used to draw the attention of the user when the page is loading, such as the Google dinosaur game. The customer is unable to connect to the internet, and the Google Chrome dinosaur game will occur, and the customer can play the game until his or her computer can connect to the internet. Hence, it will help user to be more patient when the page loading